Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change your accounts on Temu. So let's get right into it. I'll be doing this for the web version. However, the process is pretty much identical on the mobile version as well. You just need to access the U page instead of the home page on the mobile app, and that's pretty much where you want to be, and pretty much the steps are the same from there. You might need to go into your options, which are in the top right of the U page. However, it's very similar. Now, on the web page, what you need to do is you need to go into your orders and account and hover over it. You can click on it, and I'm pretty sure you can do the same from there. However, you don't need to, and you can just access this drop down menu. Once you're here, you just want to scroll down until you see switch accounts, and then you can click on that, and then you'll be prompted to add an account. And once you click on that, you'll need to sign in. Now, I don't have any other accounts registered on Temu, but pretty much the sign up process is pretty much the same as usual. Now, this is also the case with Google, so it's pretty much the identical process with Google sign-ins, so it should be very easy and intuitive if you have a Google account. However, what you can also do, of course, is you can sign out, and then you can sign in using a different account. So let me just show you. Once you sign out, that's pretty much it. And if we go and click on orders an account, it'll ask you to log in, and that is pretty much it. And yeah, it's all that you need to do. As I've mentioned, the process is very similar with the mobile app, so you will be able to follow this tutorial no problem. But that's pretty much it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.